Welcome to class 8 computers. The internet. Internet is a network connecting computers from across the world, enabling data exchange between them. Internet consists of independent hosts following the protocols. The World Wide Web is a way of exchanging information over this medium of internet. The system consists of at least two computers connected in such a way that at any instance of time one acts as a client, that is requesting data or service, and the other machine works as a host or a server providing the data or services. The internet can be accessed almost anywhere in many ways. Data cards, mobile phones, handheld game consoles, and cellular routers provide wireless connection to the internet. Intranet, it is a private network. An intranet is a computer network that uses the internet protocol technology to share information within an organization. It is a private computer network within an organization. It has the following characteristics. In this system, multiple PCs are connected with each other. PCs are not available to the outside world. The number of users are limited. Each system is identified by an unique IP address. For example, State Bank having its own network, LIC having its own network, Railway having its own private network, all ICSE schools having their own network, which is called an intranet. Networking terminologies. In network, so many different terms are used which are very important to understand. In that, the first one is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Every page on the internet has a unique address through which it is called or accessed. The address of a page or a web page is called the URL. For example, HTTP www.google.com. By typing this address, we are accessing that particular page. So, it is called the URL. The next one is Internet Service Provider, ISP. The organization which provides the internet facilities to us are called ISPs. It is an organization that provides the facility of availing internet services against a fee. For example, BSNL, Airtel, Idea, Tata Docomo, Vodafone, etc. In India, VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, is the head to get the internet services. The next is website. It is a set of pages of information on the internet about a particular subject published by a person or an organization. It may contain a single page or a number of pages. Web portal. It is also just like a website, but it contains the complete information about a organization. It is specially designed website that possesses various types of information on an organization in a systematic manner. For example, Yahoo, Lycos, Microsoft Network, etc. Web page. It is a part of a website. It is stored in HTML format. A browser can access a web page. Next, home page. Every website has a main page. The first page which appears when you open a website is called a home page. Home page generally contains the basic information about an website and the other informations to access the other sites. Hyperlinks. A web page contains a number of links of other web pages that helps to navigate and access the information from other web pages. When you move your mouse pointer over a hyperlink, the pointer turns into a hand symbol. IP address. Internet Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It is a set of rules that allows your computer to be linked on the internet and share information. IP address is assigned to a computer by ISP. When you send or receive data, it gets divided in the form of packets. These packets contain both the sender's and receiver's IP address. Without IP address, we cannot send any information to any system. It may be a phone or may be a computer. Transmission Control Protocol, TCP. It manages transmission of data over the network. It receives the packets and reassembled them into the original message. It also ensures that delivery of the packets or the data to the correct destination. So IP and TCP protocols are the base protocols of the network or internet. Hypertext Transmission or Transfer Protocol, HTTP. It is a set of rules for transferring files on the World Wide Web. The web browser uses this protocol to open the web pages and transfer the files from web server to our computers. Internet Message Access Protocol, IMAP. It is used in SMS and mails. It is used for sorting, storing received mails in the computers of the recipient. The recipient can view the message easily as it is available locally with his computers. Next, the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol SMTP. It is used for sending and receiving a mail. It transmits the mail issued from the source computer to the server. So these are the important terms of internet and the protocols. Thank you for listening.